In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an eBay listing. Whether you're updating inventory or removing items that are no longer available, knowing how to end a listing on eBay is a valuable skill for any seller. Let's guide you through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to the eBay website. You can do this by typing eBay into your search engine and clicking on the first result, which should lead you to eBay's homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the Sign In option in the upper left corner of the homepage and click on it. Now, enter your login credentials. If you've set up two-factor authentication, be prepared to verify your identity accordingly. Logging in allows you to access your personal account settings, which we will need to proceed with ending your listing. Once logged in, focus your attention on the upper right section of the page where My eBay is located. Click on the small arrow beside it. This will open a drop-down menu. From there, choose Selling. This part of the site is where all your selling activities, including your current listings, are managed. Now that you're in your selling dashboard, direct your attention to the section labeled Listings. From here, select Active to view all items you currently have listed for sale. These are the listings that buyers can see and potentially purchase, so it's critical to ensure that what's listed is accurate and available. To delete a listing, find the specific item you want to remove from this list. Clicking on the listing will highlight it. Next to the highlighted listing, there is a drop-down arrow. Click on this to see more options related to that item. Within this drop-down menu, you'll find an option labeled End Listing. Click on it and you'll be prompted to choose a reason for ending the listing. This step helps eBay understand the status of your inventory and ensures that buyers' expectations are accurately met. Common reasons might include item is no longer available or mistakenly listed. Choose the option that best fits your situation. It's crucial to be honest with your selection to maintain a good seller status. Once you've selected your reason, confirm your choice. You should receive a confirmation that your listing has been successfully ended. It's as simple as that. Remember, keeping your inventory up to date by removing unavailable items is essential. It helps maintain your seller reputation and keeps your business running smoothly. We hope this video has provided a clear guide on how to delete an eBay listing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.